All right, so the best time of year is upon us. Fall is here. It's starting to cool down a little bit. You can wear something long sleeve, some pants, and this is just the best time of year. I'm all about fall. I like the winter just a little bit. It's a little too cold. I love the spring, and then summer is just whatever. I'm just trying to stay cool. And every year, right around this time, I start to stack up on fall clothing and sneakers, whatever, just to make sure that my fall outfits are on point. So I started to do that over the past couple weeks. So in this video, I have a few things. I'm gonna show you a little bit more than a few, probably like 6 to 8 different things that I've bought recently. There's gonna be a ton of fall content on the way. Top 5 fall jackets, top 5 affordable hoodies, top 5 best jeans to wear with sneakers, a fall lookbook, $100 outfit challenges, all that. So definitely a bunch of good stuff is going to be on the way. I'm starting it off here, so let's get into it right now. Let's kick it off with some new fleece. These are both from Everlane. One of the most essential things for the fall is making sure you've got a good hoodie and a crew neck sweatshirt, just fleece. Stuff like this you need to have. There's a lot to like about these items. For one, the quality is there. It is super soft, very nice, and it's almost like pigment dyed. It's got this crazy wash to it. I'm so hyped on it. I immediately went and got 2 more in the other colors that they offered. This is a really unique color, and I love the way that it fits. So definitely hyped on this crew neck, but I am more hyped on this hoodie. What screams fall more than this sweatshirt? The color, they got it right, man. Like, a lot of times brands try to use like this burnt orange color, and it can be a little bit like unpleasant and not look good. This is a hard color to use. It's a really soft orange, and I'm gonna pair this with a jacket that I'm gonna show you guys in a second, but premium cotton on this thing, and I like the way that it fits as well. I'm so happy that they offer a double XL. That's what this is. Everlane stuff, especially their fleece, tends to fit a little bit slim and tight. So I'm usually an XL, but in their hoodies and sweatshirts, I like to go double XL, and I'm so glad that they offered it for this sweatshirt. There's more colors that are easy to wear. This is definitely something that you want to throw on if you're feeling a super fall vibe, but there is like a washed black and like a beige and stuff like that if you want something for more like everyday wear. But this joint, definitely hyped on it. Everlane did their thing. Next up, you already know the deal, man. I gotta bring it with some flannels this fall, and I already started picking up a few, as you can see. Both of these are from the Gap. I love Gap flannels. You can get these for like $30 to $35. Always a deal. This time of the year, the Gap always has a bunch of different flannel options, different materials, different colors, the whole 9. And I usually grab a few of them, to say the least. This year, I'm probably gonna grab every single color, not gonna lie. This one is maroon, black, and blue, and then this one is a navy, red, and white. I gotta say, I like this one just a little bit better. It's certainly more poppin' with that white. But this one is definitely toned down, and it'll look great with some maroon sneakers. I've got some maroon burgundy skate highs that are gonna look great with this thing. So if you don't have a few flannel options in the fall, man, what are you doing? What are you doing? Just skip one of those sneaker pickups and you can get like 5 or 6 flannels and be good for a long time. I have a bunch of flannels that I got 2 to 3 years ago that I still wear. So definitely make sure you find a flannel that fits you good, has a good color combination, who cares what the brand is, and then take quality into consideration. So if you want some affordable flannels, look no further. I will link both of these down in the description, and the Gap always has some promo code going on. Don't snooze, grab some flannels, let's keep it moving. All right, so in the fall, a hoodie is essential. A crew neck sweatshirt is essential. A flannel is essential. What else is essential? How about a fresh pair of Timbs? So last year I picked up a few pairs of Timberland boots, but I never got a fresh pair of wheat Timbs. What an absolute mistake that was. So this year I got a pair of wheats right out of the gate, just so I can rock these things as soon as it is appropriate, which will probably be in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Usually some point in October I'm throwing on a pair of Timbs, but Last year, I did not have a fresh pair of wheats. I had so many that were similar to this colorway. It was like a darker brown or a lighter brown, and then I got my blacks, but you know, wheats. This colorway though is absolutely undeniable and probably the most essential footwear item that you can have in the fall. Let me know down in the comment section when you guys throw on your Tims for the first time. Do you wait for it to snow? Do you not wear Tims? Or do you throw them on as soon as it is sweatshirt weather? Like, I could probably wear these today. Are you guys throwing these on ASAP Rocky, or are you waiting a little bit? Like, do you wait till Thanksgiving time? Let me know down in the comments when you throw these joints on. But fresh constructs, ready to go. All right, next up, I got another sweatshirt, and this is actually a gift from the brand Wear. So I thought this sweatshirt was a really cool design. It looks like it's layered, like you're wearing a hoodie underneath a crew neck or a sweater or something like that. So this is a relatively simple sweatshirt, but the only difference is that the hood is done in a different color. It is a forest green, and then the body is a heather gray. Kangaroo pouch, no drawstrings. I really liked the look of this sweatshirt, and it wasn't too expensive, so I'll be sure to link you guys to Wear's website down in the description. This is definitely a nice fall sweatshirt, and it's on trend as well. You'll see a bunch of brands are doing this like layered look or a different color hood this season. So this is a nice affordable option compared to like that Kith hoodie that has this same design. There's like a polo hoodie, everything. I've seen a bunch of brands do this, but Wear has had this on their website for a little while now, so I'll be sure to link this to you guys down in the description. In addition to the sweatshirt, they also sent over a couple more things. So if it's still warm out and it's summertime weather where you're at right now, then I guess these pickups are for you. We've got a pair of shorts, and this is in a vibrant yellow color. This is a lightweight French terry short. In addition to the shorts and that sweatshirt, they also sent over a mint t-shirt, and this is a heavyweight tee, also done in a French terry. I like how they did the tag on this shirt. So if you're not ready to commit to fall colors yet, then definitely check out Wear. All right, and then last up, I have one more jacket to show you guys. This is also from Everlane, but I saved it for last because this is definitely my favorite pickup in the entire video. This is their new chore jacket, and this is like a shirt jacket. It's like a heavy duty workwear style jacket. So you could wear a button up underneath this, but I plan on wearing a hoodie. This is gonna be the perfect transition to fall jacket for me. You can wear it as it is over a t-shirt, or like I said, you can wear a hoodie underneath it. Again, Everlane absolutely nailed it with the color. The combination of this jacket and this sweatshirt together, layered, is gonna look so fall appropriate. It's crazy. This is more of a forest green than an olive green, which is great because I have a bunch of olive green stuff. So this is a mid-weight jacket, which is what you want for this time of year. There's 4 front pockets on this shirt, but I like how they did this. It's button front closure on the top 2, and then the buttons are hidden on the bottom 2 pockets. And I like these style pockets because you can easily throw, you know, your wallet, your keys, your cell phone in here, and it's loose. So you can take them in and out easily if you need to. So this chore jacket definitely does not disappoint, and you'll see this on my top 5 fall jackets video, which will be dropping somewhat soon. This is certainly something that's like kind of on the menswear side of things, but it's rugged and it doesn't have like any patches or anything streetwear on this. So if you want to step up your menswear jacket game, then definitely check out this jacket. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Definitely hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new. Let me know when you wear your Tims, and also let me know what you guys are going to wear this fall. If there's any brands that I should check out, definitely leave it down in the comment section. So that's a wrap for me. Everything is linked down in the description. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.